What's that on the side there?
Are you in a rodeo?
Are you having fun, darling? What are you doing?
You pretend to ride a horsey?
Don't slip off, please, it will hurt. Say giddy up, horsey.
It'd be good, you know, we'll have to next year before we do it, you know, spend 50 quid. Then we'll spend it on a good night.
Yeah. That's the funniest thing I've ever seen. Are you having fun? I would laugh if she fell in, to be honest.
Are you still videoing?
Yeah.
No, we need to get like a big enough pool where all three of us can sit in it. Like,
Yeah,
at least 6 foot. Well, I'd say 8 before.
Oh, careful.
8 be 6. And just say to neighbours, look, we're setting up the pool. You can all use it. Just make sure if you get any crud in it, fish it out with a net. Really good, wasn't it?
Mhm.
Or we could ask them and say, I want to pitch in and get like a monster stand and see if she'll let us put it over under the shade.
Where are you going?
Time actually. Annabelle,
Be
darling, where are you
careful.
going? That's my music. I've lost all my videos, look.
Okay.
I say that every video of her or anything, yeah, all gone.
Annabelle? Annabelle? Hello? What are you doing? Why have you got your back to me constantly?
The phone's yours.